Back it up slowly, watch the platform. Okay, hold it right there. We're ready for the tilt.
Watch the next one. It's heavy. This bunch is damaged. Send it back. Make sure the tags are secure before weighing.
The automated equipment collects and separates the peels here, and the digital systems track the recovered volume in real time.
How's the coverage on this row?
Optimal. We are clear for the ripening area.
Batch 42A meets all consistency requirements.
Confirmed. We can route it to the processing lines.
The humidity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good, let's maintain the airflow at 40%.
Dinkles. The dried banana material enters powerful milling equipment where it is finely ground into a smooth, light...
Flow rate is stable at 200 liters per hour. Temperature holding steady at 4 degrees. Everything looks good. Consistency looks good, very fine. Color is pure white. Approved for drying.
The separation rate looks stable on line 3.
Good, we are hitting the target purity right on schedule.
We are seeing a slight spike in humidity on the intake valve.
Adjust the airflow by 5% and monitor closely. The banana processing line also collects fibrous material from stems, peels, and other plant portions.
The density looks perfect on this batch.
Consistent thickness all the way through.
Okay. The sensors are reading within tolerance.
The aligned fiber web is stretched into long, uniform slivers. Precision rollers control the process while workers inspect the continuous strands.
The newly woven banana fiber fabric passes beneath powerful inspection lights and high-resolution cameras.
The hand feel is excellent now.
Yes, the rollers worked perfectly. The strength is still there.
The magenta levels are stabilizing right on target. Good, the cyan is consistent as well.
Looks good.
The tensile strength is excellent. Yes, well above the threshold. We can approve this batch.
Meanwhile, collected banana peels enter a separate processing department. Powerful washing machines clean the peels.
Temperature holding steady at 180 Celsius.
Good, humidity levels are dropping fast now.
See how rigid this section is becoming. Yeah. It's drying perfectly according to the specifications now.
The dimensions on this tray are perfect. Good. The last batch was slightly off spec.
The refined pulp shows significantly fewer oversized fibers now. The precision filters are working optimally. We can clear it for the storage tanks.
Check the moisture levels on the left side. It looks consistent now, moving to the dryer.
Check the particle distribution readout here. Looks perfect for the infant formula blend.
Freshly processed banana snacks travel through a rotating seasoning drum, where precisely measured flavoring is distributed evenly across every piece.
The concentration levels are fluctuating more than expected here at the third sensor.
Yes, I see that. Let's adjust the vacuum pressure slightly. Glues. Automated dosing equipment precisely measures the starch into production batches. Industrial mixers combine the ingredients.
documents. Automated labeling machines apply product names, batch info, manufacturing details, barcodes. The factory uses recyclable and reduced material packaging. Automated wrapping machines carefully secure.
Check the counter reading again. It should be 50 per box. Confirmed. All counts are accurate.
Dispatch confirms Route 4. All systems updated. Move out.